If your possessions are stolen or, worse, your home burns down, you don't want to discover that your home insurance isn't going to pay what you thought it would. Unfortunately, some homeowners realize too late that they are underinsured. It's crucial to understand the difference between replacement cost coverage and actual cash value coverage. Replacement cost coverage explained. As part of your homeowner's insurance policy, you likely had a choice between replacement cost coverage and actual cash value coverage. Replacement cost coverage pays for the replacement of damaged items with new, similar items. For example, if you had a living room set from West Elm destroyed in a fire, you should be reimbursed for new West Elm furniture, not a living room set from Larry's bargain basement. Your insurance will pay to replace belongings until you reach the personal property limit in your policy. If the structure of your house is destroyed, replacement cost coverage pays to rebuild it. Your insurance will pay up to the dwelling coverage limit stated in your policy. Some home insurers offer extended or guaranteed replacement coverage. This is even better because you can get reimbursement above your policy's dwelling limit. You may need this if local labor and material costs suddenly rise after a widespread disaster like a tornado. Unfortunately, not every insurer offers these choices. Extended replacement cost coverage will pay a specific percentage over dwelling limit, such as 20% over. Guaranteed replacement cost coverage pays to rebuild your house no matter the cost. Without these, you would have to foot the bill if your policy limit isn't enough to fully rebuild your house. Actual cash value coverage explained. Actual cash value reimburses you for the value of destroyed property minus depreciation. Your home insurance policy could have actual cash value coverage for your belongings by default. You may need to upgrade to replacement costs to get better coverage. For example, if you had a 10-year-old sofa, actual cash value coverage reimburses you for a 10-year-old sofa, not a new one. Replacement value versus actual cash value, key considerations. To understand what type of coverage is best for your situation, there are a few things to consider. Policy cost. You'll pay less for actual cash value coverage because you'll receive less in a claim. Tolerance for risk. If you don't like the thought of paying out of your own pocket to buy new items in the event of damage, get replacement cost coverage. Older homes. Since the expense of repairing an older home with authentic materials can be very costly, some home insurance companies may not offer replacement cost coverage for older homes. If this is the case, you may have to purchase a modified replacement cost policy, according to the Insurance Information Institute. Under this policy, original features such as plaster walls will be replaced by standard building materials instead. Want to get a homeowner insurance quote? Call or text Prism Insurance Agency today at 951-243-2800.